Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss about chapter 5, study of weather, and we will discuss the difference between the weather and climate. Weather and climate are terms that are closely related. People are often mistaken for each other. Weather should not be confused with climate, and if we will discuss about the public regarding the weather and climate, they will give their expert opinion. Weather refers to the condition or a state of atmosphere of a place, such as a city, over a short period of time, usually for 24 hours. It is never static but ever changing and thus cannot be generalized. For example, we can say it is hot, wet, or cloudy. We are talking about the weather. It may be sunny in a city but rainy heavily in another. Not too far. Thus, weather refers to the condition of atmosphere of a certain place at a certain time. The element of weather are temperature, pressure, humidity, precipitation, wind direction, speed of wind, cloud cover, and sunshine. Now, the climate is the average of the atmospheric condition over a large area, such as a country, over a long period of time. Usually, we took 35 years for that. For example, we can say in general, India has a tropical monsoon type of climate. Keep these words in mind because one mark question can be there. This type of climate India has, then you have to write tropical monsoon type of climate. This means that temperature are usually high for most part of the years of the country, receive seasonal rainfall during the monsoon season. When we say that Italy experiences a Mediterranean climate, it means that it has warm, dry summer followed by cool, wet winter. Now, the elements that determine the climate are the same those who are weather, namely temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, precipitation, wind direction, speed, cloud cover, and sunshine. In this paragraph, question can be there, what is the difference between the climate of India and Italy? Then you can easily write down that India experience tropical monsoon type of climate, Italy experience Mediterranean type of climate, and rest of the features which are given here, like India usually experience high temperature most part of the year, but Italy warm dry summer is there. India experience monsoon rain and Italy experience rainfall in winter. These are things you can say about the difference between the climate of India and Italy. Now the element of weather we will discuss. First of all, temperature. Temperature refers to the degree of hotness or coldness of the air. It is measured by an instrument called the thermometer. Temperature depends on the following factor: latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, ocean currents, wind, cloud cover, slope, and aspect. First of all, we will discuss about the latitude. Owing to the spherical shape of the earth, the angle at which the sun rays strike the earth is not the same everywhere. On the surface of the earth, the sun rays are vertical or at 90 degree over the equator. The angle of sun rays at the two poles is 0. In the tropics, the sun rays are almost vertical throughout the year, so therefore they are stronger. As one moves away from the equator, the sun rays become increasing slanted and are therefore weaker. The temperature decreases with increasing altitude. This means that temperature at the equator will be high, and as we move away from the equator, temperature will goes down. So the equatorial areas will always receive high amount of temperature and the polar areas will receive less temperature. With the help of this diagram, equator sun rays are vertical, but as we will move away from the equator, sun rays become slanting, because vertical sun rays have to provide the heat to a small areas when we compare with the polar areas. If area will small, then more heat will be received by the surface. If area will be more, then less amount of heat will be experienced by the surface. And also the time to touch or time to reach the surface of the earth will be taken more in the polar areas when we compare with the equatorial areas. So the latitude affect the degree of hotness and coldness of the earth. Now the next is the altitude. Altitude is known as the height of the land above the sea level, and it is one of the factors that affect the temperature. Temperature decrease with an increase in altitude. Places at low altitude have higher temperature than the places at the higher altitude. Here is one diagram. Here it is shown that at the sea level temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, but as we are moving higher, then what will happen? Temperature will decrease. And how it happened, we will discuss. Because here you can see the density of the atmosphere is very high, but as we move upward the air become thinner and thinner, because if the density will be high, then the temperature will be absorbed by the different gases, but as we will move upward the amount of gases will decrease, and the gases which absorb the heat are more closer to the surface of the earth as we compare with the higher areas. When we move upward with 165 meter in the height, 1 degree of Celsius temperature decrease, and this phenomena of decrease in the temperature is known as the normal lapse rate. The next is distance from the sea. When the land is hot, the comparatively cool air from the sea cools it. When the land gets cold, the comparatively warm air from the sea makes it warm. Thus the sea has a moderating influence on the temperature of the places, those who are near the sea, and they experience a mild climate. And when we compare with the areas, those who are away, they experience a continental type of climate. Like we can see that the areas in Japan and Sri Lanka experience maritime climate, and places those who are far away from the sea, they do not experience the moderating effect of sea, and this type of climate is experienced in Siberia and Tibet, where when the summer will be there, high temperature, winter will be there, then temperature will goes down below the 0 degree Celsius, and range of temperature is high in continental type of climate, and range of temperature will be low in maritime type of climate. Kilimanjaro, did you know Kilimanjaro and Mount Kenya in Africa are near the equator, because and they remain snow covered due to the high altitude. On the equator vertical sun rays are there, but due to the vertical sun rays high temperature should be there, but these two areas, these two mountains are snow covered, because with the increase in height temperature decrease. Next is ocean currents. A stream of water in an ocean constantly flowing in a single direction is called a ocean current. 1 mark question can be there, or definition can be asked by the examiner, that what is ocean current, then you will write down this line. A stream of water in an ocean constantly flowing in a single direction is known as ocean current. These are of two types, warm and cold. Warm current moves from lower latitude, means 0 degree is a lower latitude. They move from the lower latitude toward the higher latitude. You can say that warm current move from 0 degree to polar side, and when these warm current will move from 0 degree to polar side, they will increase the temperature, and they makes the higher altitude, or generally make the coastal areas in higher altitude warmer. Using cold currents, they move from higher altitude to the lower altitude, because in cold current temperature is low, so when they will move to the lower latitude, they decrease the temperature, or lower down the temperature of the places where they reach.